Inbound 4A from Washtenaw and South University to the Blake Transit Center, the BTC. Upon servicing the stop here just beyond South University, you're going to make a right turn at the stoplight, which is Observatory. Again, this is the inbound 4A from South University and Washtenaw to the Blake Transit Center. Making our right onto Observatory. Stay in the center lane here, or the left lane here, as we approach Getty's. Crossing through Getty's, we're going to continue on Observatory. Stop approaching. We're going to make our right turn at Washington Heights, this upcoming corner. We ask that you bear in mind of all of Ann Arbor's crosswalk rules. Please allow the pedestrians and crosswalks the right of way. Stop approaching. Mary Markley Resident Hall on the left side here. When traveling on Washington Heights, please use extreme care, especially during inclement weather. We're going to make a massive decline here. We're on the McDonald's house on the right-hand side. Coming up on East Medical Center Drive, we're going to make a left-hand turn here at the stop sign. On our right side is the Mott Hospital, Mott Children's Hospital. Just beyond the stoplight is the Mott Stop. It's a shared stop with the University of Michigan bus system. We ask that when you service this stop, that you pull forward as far as you possibly can. This is also a time point. Again, this is the inbound 4A from Washtenaw and South University to the Blake Transit Center. Proceeding on East Medical Drive, at the stoplight, we want to make a right turn. Here. Stop here at the shelter on the right-hand side, shared stop with the U of M buses. We're going to proceed through the roundabout. Just in front of us, we have the Cardiovascular Center for the University of Michigan Hospital. We're making a left turn after proceeding through the turnabout. We're now on Ann Street. We're going to take Ann to the stoplight, which is in the picture. We're going to make a left turn. Immediately following this left turn is a bus stop. It is a shared stop with the U of M buses. This also is a very popular destination. Note stop. Coming up to East Huron, at the stop sign here, we're going to make a right turn. passing Glen. Just on the outskirts of the central campus. North Quad is on our left-hand side as we approach it. After servicing this upcoming stop mid-block, right here, you want to get over as quickly as you can and safely as you can, for we will be making a left turn at the next stoplight, which is State Street. This left turn is not for cars. This left turn is for buses only. We make our left turn. There's a stop approaching just before the stoplight. Right here. At the stoplight is Washington Street. We're going to make a right turn. Making our right turn onto Washington off of State Street. Stop approaching. At this point, you want to make ready to set up for whatever run you are through routed with. And you want to be able to approach the Blake Transit Center accordingly. For the sake of this video, we are going to treat this as if we are continuing as a number 4. And we will stay on Washington through Division here at the light. And we'll make our left-hand turn at the next light, which is 5th Avenue. There are no more stops at this point until we have reached the stand at the Blake Transit Center. Getting set to make our left turn onto 5th Avenue. Approaching the light here at Liberty. Crossing Liberty Street. Continuing on 5th Avenue. At the stoplight, we will make a right turn. We approach 4th Avenue here at the stoplight. We will make a right turn and we will pull into the stand at the Blake Transit Center. This concludes the inbound 4A from Washtenaw and South University to the Blake Transit Center, the BTC.